been so long. Did you have fun? Cause I'ma need a cab just to get me home.
It was a little bit of walk to get here, but we got here. We made it. Corey's trying to find her slot machine. As you can see, she's very excited. Alright guys, first spin. She's already spinning the damn wheel. That's gonna get her hooked, guys, because she's not quitting now. Ooh, 3x. Oh, 1,000. No way. Did you guys see that? Almost. The disappointment. The disappointment. It's gonna get her. So I just put 100 in and I got to spin the wheel. Same with Corey. What? This is her second time spinning the wheel. Let's go. I got nothing. $3.50 and $2.50. All right, guys, this is her third time spinning a damn wheel. It better be something. It's better be something. 2x. Let's go. Can she get there, guys? 2,000? They're not. Oh, 1,000 though. 100. $10. Right. But times 2, so it's $20 spin. The new poker room for the WSOP. This is where you guys are gonna be coming to play cash games, maybe tournament. Got done gambling a little bit. We're down a little bit, you know. We were winning pretty good up front, but then we just kept playing and lost a little bit. But we had fun. So now we're fully charged up. We're about to go. Check this sexy out. If I can whistle, I would. All right, guys, we're about to go get some food. Heading out from the casino. It's a fork and knife kind of pizza, Corey.
I know.
Back home, and our baby needs some charging.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!